If you're wondering why I look like Sanji right now, just go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe because we're getting into a good video.
We untouchable, uncrushable. We untouchable, uncrushable.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Dapper Diane. If you're wondering why I look like Sanji right now, just go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe because we're getting into a good video. It's 10 o'clock at night and I've just decided to start braiding my hair. Yeah, let's get into it. Now, one, as y'all see from saw from my last hair video, if you saw when I first cut my hair, which would be, I think, on Instagram, yeah, like my hair has grown enough, especially to like in the back where I for sure can grip this. I gripped my hair when it was shorter than this. So let me show you the hair that I got. This hair, I can't remember what color it is. Either way, it's like honey blonde. I got this, that's the color. So this brown and this brown like go into each other. Then I also have this, all right? So this is the hair I'm dealing with. Of course, I got my good old jam. And I don't have much left. I honestly do not think this will last my entire head. I have to see if I have some more somewhere else in the cut, but if not, we're just gonna rock with it. It's okay. We're just gonna have to make sure we have even cleaner parts without. And so when it comes to the hair, what I'm thinking of doing, when I've done my own braids, I've always done them to like waist length or like at the end of my back. So I want to try to do them longer. Back in like my freshman year, if you go to my Instagram, like all the way down to the bottom, there's a picture of me with red twists. First of all, I don't know what came over me that I wanted to be like Rihanna, but I looked good. But yeah, I want to see if I can do my braids to that length, like a bit past my butt. And I'm starting this at 10 o'clock at night. It's fine. But yeah, that's the length that I want to do. I want to have a middle part, and then I want to also have a side part, and I do my side parts from this side going over. And color scheme wise, I want to do some that have just this color. I want to do some that have just the honey color, and then I want to do some that are just blonde, all intermingled, all in between. And then some of them are going to be a combination of all three colors. Hopefully it comes out right. We shall see. In these chairs behind me, I have the three colors separated into strands. Right here, I took a bundle of each of the colors, and I've seen it on TikTok, but I hope I'm doing this right. I'm just mixing. We're gonna see what we get, y'all. But yeah, just mixing the colors together. It's 10:35 and we've attached the first braid, and she's long. Like this is honestly at the middle, or honestly at the end of my knee. We're gonna see if we can maintain it, but yeah, I'll check back in when we've had some more progress. this half of my hair. Let me show you how long it is. There's the top of my head, and they go down to my knees. I didn't mean for it to go that far, but I can't stop now. So, yeah, now I'm about to grab a snack and potentially go to sleep. I'm very tired. All right, y'all, it's 5:45 in the morning. As you can see, I have wrapped up my hair because I'm calling it quits for the night or the day or the morning. I started doing my bottom row, and I looked in my mirror. Mind you, I did the bottom row here in my room, and I looked in the mirror in my bathroom, and like, y'all, it's like, so you know what? We're just gonna stop while we're ahead before we keep going and make it worse. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning. Guys, it's like 1, I want to say. It's 1 o'clock. And I have this section left to do. And then I'm gonna stop to get food. I told y'all about how the bottom 2 rows were like janky. I don't know if you can see it. Either way, it looks terrible. But I'm not gonna try to do it myself. I have my friend Faye coming over later. So she's gonna help me out with the like nape of the neck rows that are in the back and my kitchen. But yeah, y'all, I'm literally almost somewhat to the finish line. So y'all, we are back, and I had all of this braided, but as you can see, I cut them out because these rows were just very, very messed up, and it's really hard to see in the back of my head. So yeah, now I'm just gonna have to do these whole 3 rows all over again, but I have Faye helping me, so the parting and the gripping will be much better, because for me, I struggle with gripping, especially the middle of the back of my head, because I'm just trying to reach around. But now, that's what we're about to get into. All right, y'all, it's 2 hours later, and we redid the 3 rows. Faye started them off, and then I finished them. So that's how we got it done so quick, and it looks so much better. And as you can see, they're really super duper long. And I'm not gonna dip them tonight because I'm not about to go to sleep with a wet head. So tomorrow we'll finish and close out the vlog of the 3-day braids. No, not 3, 2. No, technically 3. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. It's 2 days later, and I still have not dipped my hair. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And it's like 11 o'clock at night, but oh well, because this is long overdue. This video needs to wrap up. I need to wrap it up. So yeah, now we're just about to dip. I don't even know how I'm about to do this because they're so long, but we're gonna see. We're gonna try. They are all dipped. So now it's just the waiting process for them to dry. But I'm gonna end the video here because y'all get the gist. But that is it, guys. That's how I did my braids in what should have been 2 days, but I did it in 4. Or yeah, but it's fine. Now you can see. But anyways, stay tuned on my Instagram for the pictures. that should be coming soon. Hopefully I can capture them while they're fresh, because braids these long, I think I'm only gonna keep them in for a month, because after that it's gonna start looking crazy. But yeah guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bring it back now.